Welcome to SellerAmp SaaS, the product sourcing tool for Amazon sellers to speed up their sourcing process. It's one of the fastest ways to find profitable products to sell on Amazon. Whether you're into online arbitrage, retail arbitrage, or wholesale sourcing, see key insights to help you make those profitable decisions and reach your sales goals. SellerAmp is 3 tools in 1, designed to give you the data you need for sourcing profitable products. There's the web app, perfect for browsing on any device. The Chrome extension, for quick product analysis while sourcing online. And the mobile app, for retail arbitrage on the go. Just search or scan a product to get immediate access to vital information like profitability, whether the product meets your sourcing criteria, sales trends, competition analysis, eligibility to sell a product on Amazon, and many more. Now, just a quick little tip for beginners. The main features that I use is the profit calculator, so then we can make sure we're tracking all of our accurate fees, so then we can see exactly how much profit we're going to be making for a product. The buy box analyst, to make sure that no one is hogging the buy box and all the other sellers are under 50%. The variation feature, which lets you know exactly how much times a certain product sold. You don't know what a variation listing, it's simply just where there's multiple products as many different sizes, maybe many different colors, selling in the same listing. No matter where you're sourcing from, SellerAmp makes it super easy to spot a product worth selling. Simply input your settings, include sales targets, profit margin ambitions, tax status, and desired BSR, which is the best sellers rank on Amazon for a certain product. Keep in mind, most times you are going to want that BSR to be under 100,000. The lower the BSR, the better it is, and the higher the BSR, the worse it is. After fixing up your settings, they'll be applied as you search through product, allowing you to identify the most suitable products to sell at a glance. Whether on the Amazon search page or the individual product view, SellerAmp not only calculates all the Amazon selling fees, it includes the product category charges, product size, weight, delivery costs, all displayed on a super friendly interface, showing the need-to-know information. See profit margins in real time, understand your competition, and track sales trends with ease. SellerAmp's speed and simplicity mean you can quickly find the best products to sell on Amazon, giving you more time to focus on scaling your business. And with a user-friendly interface, SellerAmp makes it easy for anyone from beginners to experienced sellers to get up and running in no time. You don't need to be a tech expert. Just plug in your product and start making data-driven decisions in seconds. So whether you're sourcing from the web, retail stores, or wholesale suppliers, SellerAmp is your go-to tool for fast, accurate product analysis. Get started today and take your Amazon selling game to the next level.